Welcome back, guys. Today I will be expanding along with simplifying as far as possible. Let's get started. Here we're going to simplify the following. First, we have a constant being multiplied. So we have 8 times x minus 3. So multiplying this, I have to multiply the constant by x and then the constant by the next constant. So 8 times x, that's 8x. And then 8 times minus 3, that is negative 24. Now this is the distributive law where we expand, clearing the bracket. Now let's look at another example. In this example, I will multiply a variable by the bracket. So multiplying the variable, I'm going to have the variable x being multiplied by x minus 3. So we have to distribute. So x times x, that gives me x squared. X times minus 3, that gives me minus 3x. And that's it. Now the next question that I have here, I am going to expand, but it's in a different form, where I have minus 2x being multiplied. So we have minus 2x and in the bracket x minus 1. So what I will be doing is multiply minus 2x times x and then minus 2x times x. Now you multiply the x times x to give us x squared. So that's minus 2x squared and then minus 2x times minus 1. That will give me positive 2x. The next, I'm going to have two different brackets, so I will have to expand two different sections, then simplify by adding what is common. So here we have x times x minus 3 plus 2 times x minus 1. First, I'm going to multiply the x by the first bracket, so x times x, and then x times 3, 2 times x, and then 2 times the 1. So x times x, that's x squared, and x times minus 3, that's minus 3x. 2 times x, that is positive 2x. And 2 times minus 1, that's minus 2. Now within the center, we have like terms. So when we're adding variables, now we're going to leave the x squared alone, but when we're adding variables, we add the coefficients. If you look, we have a minus 3 plus 2. So rewriting the variable and then minus 3 plus 2, that would be negative 1. Just remember, when the signs are different, we subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. So 3, and then we have take away 2, that's 1. Here, the bigger number is 3, so because it's negative, that's why I have a negative 1. Then I have minus 2. Now, negative 1x is the same thing as minus x. So this is the same as x squared minus x minus 2. The next question, once again, distributive law. I'm going to multiply 2x times the first bracket, x minus 1, and then minus 3 times the next bracket, which is x squared minus 5. Now distributive law, multiply 2x times x. X times x is x squared, so that's 2x squared. And 2x times minus 1, that is minus 2x. Next, I will be multiplying minus 3 times x squared, that's minus 3x squared. And minus 3 times minus 5, negative and negative, that's positive. So that's positive 15. Now we have some like terms, 2x squared and minus 3x squared are like terms. So I will group them together. So 2x squared minus 3x squared. And then I have minus 2x plus 15. Now, just as before when I was doing the numbers, 2 minus 3, that's negative 1. And then I'll have my x squared. So minus 2x plus 15. So just remember, you keep the sign of the bigger number, so subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. So that's why we have a negative 1x squared. Now, negative 1x squared is the same thing as minus x squared. So I can rewrite this to give me minus x squared. So let me go ahead and write that. So this is the same thing as minus x squared minus 2x plus 15, and it's the same thing. So this is the answer. Now the next question that we have here is the final question, where I'm going to expand and simplify as far as possible. So it's x times 3x minus 1 plus 2 times x plus 3. So multiplying x times 3x, I will have 3x squared. Then I multiply x times minus 1, that's minus x, which is the same as negative 1x. Now multiplying plus 2 times x and also plus 2 times 3. So I'm distributing. So 2 times x, that is 2x. And 2 times 3, that gives me 6. So I have plus 6. Now this, I just rewrite it as it is, but in the center we can simplify further. So we have 2 and 1, so subtract them. So subtracting, I'll get 1, and then I keep the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number is 2, so that's why I put positive 1. So we can have it as 1x and then plus 6. So always remember, when the signs are different, we subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. Now 1x is the same thing as x, so the center is x plus 6. And this is the expansion. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.